Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. In today's video, we are going to be setting up my home planner, which is within my main planner. I have been setting up my planner the entire week for the month of June. In the very first video, we did my schedule planner, then we did my faith planner, then we looked at my business planner, and today we're actually going to be doing my home planner. So I was going to do my budget planner, but I decided to save that one for last and move over into the home section of my planner, which this is a section that I will take in and out of my planner just depending on how much I feel like I need it. Sometimes if I don't have a bunch of home projects or we don't have a bunch of other things going on, I will remove this section from my planner, which I did do that last month. I didn't have it really within here that much. And that was really because I just didn't have any projects that I was really working on for the month other than decluttering my closet. So I was working on that, but I didn't need a full planner to really get into the details of that. But this month, I do have a couple of things coming up. We are getting gutters put on our home. I have a couple of other home projects, including my laundry room renovation. So since I have so much going on with home and family, I have decided to add this back into my planner. And this is another reason why I love having undated planners, because I'm able to take them in and out whenever I need to. So this is a vertical undated planner, and I'm just going to pop in the month here. And the very first page I am going to work on is my goals page for the month. My goals and projects page is where I list out all the big things that I want to complete for this month. So since this is my home and family planner, I am going to add in all of the home projects that I am planning for the month of June, and also any family events that we are planning to do this month. So I'm just going to use some colorful boxes in order to add in my headers. So the first header will be for projects. Let's see if I can zoom you guys in, make sure you can see. We're gonna put goals here. Gonna add events. I'm gonna add upcoming here. And this is for anything upcoming with the house, any events or upcoming projects. Down here, I'm going to add the quote. So now we're going to fill everything in. Okay, so I have finished my projects and goal page for the month. I have projects, goals, anything that's upcoming here, all of the events, and a quote down here. So the next thing that I'm going to do is flip over to my monthly spread, and my monthly calendar is one that I'm going to set up using these Erin Condren stickers. This is the Erin Condren sticker book, the monthly collection. This is the edition 3 of this book. And I saw these June stickers. They're nice and summery and green. And so this is what we're going to use to set up this month. Okay, since I have added all of the stickers, now I'm just going to go in and write in all of the things that are happening this month. Now this is my home and family planner. So with this planner, I mainly focus in on anything that is happening with events with the family or with the different things that I am doing with the home. So I'm just going to write those things in. Okay, so I've added in everything that's happening so far. I've added a couple of things that I need to do to my sidebar here. And I mainly use this planner to keep up with everything that's going on with the house, things that's going on with the family, and to do a lot of memory planning. So I just wrote in a couple of things that we did as a family last week in here and the upcoming things that are coming up. And now I'm going to flip over to the week and just decorate my week. I still have a couple of stickers left over from the sticker kit that I have from Erin Condren. So I am just going to use those to decorate for this week. And for this week, I am basically backdating this entire week because it's already Friday right now. So I'm just writing in all of the things that we have done this week. Okay, this planner is not as pretty as the other planners that I have set up. And this is on purpose because I use my home and family planner mainly as a way to stay on top of different things that are going on around here. And so I really need a lot of space. And so I have just set it up to where I am monitoring the different areas that I am cleaning in my home here. I am keeping track of our meal planning and the different things that I want to eat and prepare throughout the week. And then at the very bottom, I just have all of my to-dos and different things that I need to do. On the side, this is where I'm going to plan next week's menu. I'm going to write it out when we meet on Sunday. Every single Sunday, we have a family meeting, and that's where I will usually fill out and figure out what our menu is going to be for the week, upcoming events, upcoming things that we need to do. All of that will get filled in at that time. But usually for this planner, I am not doing a lot of pre-planning. I am not planning ahead. I am mainly using this planner as a tracker. Sometimes your planner is a tracker more than it is a planner. So I am not planning future events. I'm just keeping track of the things that I have done so that if I need to refer back and see when's the last time I cleaned a particular area of the house, or when is the last time I took my kids to the dentist, this is the planner that I will be able to find that information in. So because it is mainly used for information and I am keeping it as a tracker, I don't use a lot of stickers because stickers would get in the way of the information that I need to put in it, and I will just write information all over it. It does have a structure to it, like where I keep a lot of the home cleaning stuff at the top, menu stuff in the middle, and then to-dos at the bottom. But every now and then, certain things may get mixed up, especially if I run out of room at the very top. Then I could possibly put more information at the bottom or in the middle. I know that this one was a pretty quick video, but for my home planner, I do like to keep it light. I like to be able to just use it to kind of stay on top of everything without having to put down too much to set it up, especially because I have so many planners, and when you have 5, 6 planners, sometimes you can't decorate them all or make them all pretty, and that is okay. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.